He is scared of this mask. He is a dog. Look at him now when he's all calm. And then I show him the mask. Aw, come on. Okay, there we go. I'm showing him the mask. Okay. And then I show it away. And he's calm. See, I'm not showing it to him. Then I show it. Okay.